The TALisman trial is an ongoing phase 2 clinical study investigating the oral side effects associated with talquetamab. Talquetamab is a GPRC5D targeting bispecific antibody which is approved for patients with relapsed refractory multiple myeloma. However, it is associated with a number of oral side effects, and this is due to the expression of GPRC5D outside of the bone marrow. Typically, almost 70% of patients do experience taste disturbance, which can be taste loss or other features of taste disturbance. They get dry mouth, they can have difficulty swallowing. They also have other side effects such as skin rash and nail disturbances. But TALisman is really focusing on those oral side effects. What we did in TALisman was to work out objectively how the taste disturbance occurs, and we did that by providing taste strips which patients administered to their mouth throughout their treatment to understand how they experience the different taste modalities such as sweet, salty and bitter and umami. What we've discovered was that in an objective measurement that the taste disturbance occurs very rapidly within 2 weeks of commencing talquetamab. And that's really when it peaks. We also interestingly find that the taste disturbance improves around about the 3-month mark, and about 70% of patients experience an ongoing improvement around about 6 months. And that is despite patients continuing to receive talquetamab on a 2-weekly basis. The other element of this study was to look at prophylactic interventions, because we know that taste loss can be distressing for patients and they do suffer from weight loss as a consequence. We looked at whether the use of prophylactic dexamethasone mouthwashes was suitable, or giving pregabalin as a neurotransmitter inhibitor could be beneficial. Unfortunately, in both of these interventions, we found no benefit from these in terms of improving the taste effects. And in fact, we did see some worsening of the side effects with that. So this is very important because some institutions do recommend the use of dexamethasone mouthwash, but our randomized clinical trial clearly demonstrates no benefit for the use of dexamethasone mouthwash. We are still pursuing TALisman, and we're looking at other interventions in the hope that we can try and improve these taste disturbances for patients.